R.I.P., former Minister of Social Development and Public Service, dies at 75. Zola Squalia has died 38, Zola Squalia is dead. The former Minister of Social Development and Public Service was 75. Former ANC Minister Zola Squalia was confirmed to have died at age 75 on Monday morning. He served as of Minister of Public Service and Administration under Nelson Mandela and was Minister of Social Development under Thabo Mbeki. After 15 years in the Cabinet and Parliament, his retirement from both was announced on May 6, 2009, following the April 2009 general election. He remained a member of the ANC National Executive Committee, and on May 7, 2009 the party announced that he would have a new post working at the ANC presidency. He was appointed by then-President Jacob Zuma as the South African High Commissioner to the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland in September 2009.